Welcome back everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you about how to make a digital clock using JavaScript. So let's get started without wasting any more time. We'll keep this video short as possible because I want you guys to learn more and more in the shortest time. So let's go ahead. I have made this folder digital clock, but it doesn't shows anything. If I open this up, it won't show anything because it is empty and I haven't coded anything yet. So I'll open my favorite browser and this digital clock folder is already here, you can see here, and let's start doing it. I am sure that this code is big enough to so you can see. So let's write a basic HTML document here and I'll give it as a title, digital clock. Now I'll make a div here that's having an ID of, what do you say, that's have an ID of clock display, clock clock display. Now under this I'll start using JavaScript as soon as possible because I'm very fond of JavaScript. Now this JavaScript code, I want to make a function that says show time. So that's how you make a function in JavaScript. Just write function and the function name with the parentheses and then start the curly braces, and under this curly braces there will be a block of code that will be running whenever this showtime function will be called. Now what will happen is I'll just make a variable date, and using this date I'm going to make this date as an object. Let's just make it a little smaller. I think it is still visible to you guys. Now I'll put the new keyword and we'll take date and push it into there. I mean date. We'll assign this object date to this function date. Let's go ahead and make a variable hours and we'll store date dot get hours. So I'm taking hours and putting into, I'll take minutes from here again, date dot get minutes, date dot get minutes. Now I'll do same for the seconds, var seconds var equals to date dot get second. So everything is fine. Yeah. Now what we want to do is yes, I got it. Now I'll just, what is the time exactly here? So it's hour plus minutes plus seconds, right? So I'll take a variable time. Sorry, I didn't var. Oh my god, var, I'm in a big hurry today. Var time, which is equals to hours plus minutes plus seconds, right? I'm doing good, I think. Yeah. So I'll just take this document get element by ID and we'll copy this ID into it. So document dot get elements by ID, but not by tag name, but ID. Now let's paste this clock display and we'll change the inner text. Now inner text, which should go equals time, and let's put a semicolon here and let's just call this function now show time. Oh my god, show time. So now this is the show time. Let's save this and where it says, yeah, here. Let's open this up now. So this is showing, okay, 83. I suppose my code is having a, no, my code is running. My JavaScript is don't having any error. Okay. So can you guess what is the error, what the error rightly is? Just stop the video right here and try to guess it in the comment box, and let's just get, I'll just tell you guys what is the video, what is the problem. If I just put here a semicolon, because it isn't taking these as the integers and treating them as a integer as a whole and just adding the values. So if you see the time in my clock right now, it is 83 as the sum. But okay, I got one more extra, I think. Yeah, now it's okay. So it's hours, seconds and minutes completely separated from each other. Where's my digit clock? Here. If I refresh it, okay, it is showing the time right now. It's 23:45. So there is one more issue now. Our clock is not updating time again and again. So what we can do is, I'll just set a timeout for our function, and we'll pass my function here. And what it will do is, it will update and recall my function again and again in the interval of whatever the value I'll give here in milliseconds. But for now, I want to do it with each 1 second, after in the interval of each second. So I'll say 1000 because it is in milliseconds, and I want to do for 1 second, and 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. So yeah, we are good now. Let's save this, and okay, let's refresh it. So now we are talking. Here it is getting updated again. Now in this 4 seconds, I want to tell you what is the main issue right now is. It is showing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and not 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. This is because we haven't put anything for that here. It is the way it is. So just to figure that out, if you know, okay, just comment down and tell me that what I can do for it. Just pause the video now and let me show you that what I can do for it. So I'll say if hours is smaller than 10, I'll add a 0 in front of it, that is h will be equal to 0, and I'll make it a string and we'll concatenate it with our h. Okay, and now I'll do same with the seconds and I'll do same with the minutes. So let's do it with the minutes. If minutes is smaller than 10, make it minutes plus minutes plus 0. Where's plus? Here's plus. Now m, which is equals to minutes plus 0. We forgot the semicolon. Now I'll do the same with seconds. I don't want to put any else here, or maybe I'll do that later, but now I want to make sure my code, or you can say my logic, should be right. So if seconds is smaller than 10, I'll do again 0 plus seconds, and I'll set it equals, oh my god, seconds. I'm being so clumsy today. Let's set a else statement here, because it is a good practice to do that. So else, don't do anything, h will be equals to h will remain h, or if m, or else m will be equal to m. Now yeah, for this seconds too, else, okay, let me do this for you guys. Yeah, else seconds will be equal to seconds. Again, semicolon, let's close it, just give it space here. Now I think we are good to go and everything is getting set it up. Let's go back to our clock, refresh it, and we will wait for the 60, or for the next minute to arrive. It is 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now it is going 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6. So yeah, that's pretty cool clock, I guess, and congratulations, you have made your first project using JavaScript. And this don't have any issues. I guess you can add scripts, or you can do it like anyways, or let's whatever you can do. You can make it in the center position, or you can add HTML, more CSS to make it cool and make it good looking. And I do also have a clock for you to not to show you guys off, but yeah, still let me show you one clock of mine. So this was a quote that has been given by some of the company, and let me show you this clock first. So yeah, this was the clock that I have made using the same. Now this was our clock, and the functionality is still the same, and I'll go with this one because this is more simpler and we have made it with love. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the videos and hope you are enjoying the videos. So leave a like button, leave a like, just smash that like button. It will grow the channel. It is the YouTube algorithm, so for the sake of that, if you are watching this, please just like the video. And if you feel that I'm good in teaching, just subscribe the channel. And if you feel that I'm not good in teaching, just comment down below and give me some tips so I can get improvise me for you guys also, and for sharing the knowledge. So thank you so much, guys, and thank you for watching the video.